Good morning, good morning. Okay, welcome to Flex Friday. I want to do something a little bit different today. You guys have been mixing it up on Flex Friday. My name is Tiffany Rothe. I am your international fitness coach, and I love being live with you every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Monday we have Monday morning motivation. On Wednesday we have Hump Day motivation, and on Friday we have Flex Friday. So I am a fitness coach, and I always want you guys to remember that fitness is flexibility, strength, and endurance. So a lot of times people focus either on the endurance or the strength, and they forget about the flexibility. But it's not only flexibility of your body, it's flexibility of your mind, of your spirit, of your emotions, to really help you live an incredible life. Get to be flexible. Okay, meditation. Today I have an online gym called the Tiffany Rothe Fit Club, and today we did an amazing workout for our upper body. I'm feeling so good. I always come to you after I feel so good, and this amazing workout was finished with a little meditation at the end. It was so beautiful, just to do a guided visualization and meditation. I thought, you know what, let me share this with my Facebook fam and my YouTube fam, because everybody gets to feel this good. So first of all, I want to recommend, make sure that you get your workout in. It's really good to do some kind of a workout where you feel exhilarated before you do your meditation, because you've got that blood flow, the energy's pumping. So if you join me in the TRFC Club, hello, we work out every morning, Monday through Friday together. So you always get that connection, you get that vibe, you get that energy, and you're ready for the day. The workouts are pre-recorded so that you can do them at any time, but if you work out with me, it's a lot of fun. Okay, we're going to go down to my towel, so I have my beautiful cover. Look at this. Look at that, isn't that pretty? It says fit, fierce, and fabulous, right? That is how we live. So I have a padded floor, but I want you to be comfortable. And just so that you guys can see me better, I am going to get a ball. And these exercise balls are great because, number one, if you sit a lot, like you definitely want to have an exercise ball because it helps you hold your core up. So we're going to start off with just like a little rotation of the hips. And what I really like about the ball is that because you're sitting down, but then you kind of have this floaty energy. So we're just going to make the hip circles with the ball to kind of loosen up the back. And then we're going to go the other way. If you don't have a ball, order one on Amazon, because they're great to have, even if you're like working at your desk all day. Just sit on an exercise ball because it'll help your posture. And then we're going to go back and front. So just arch and go back and front to kind of loosen up the lower back. So remember, like when you're sitting all day long, sometimes your upper body, your core collapses. So you want to have it to hold you up. By having a ball, which you have to be stable at the bottom, then you really learn how to hold yourself up with your core. You want to think of your core as giant hands holding your waist up from the front, side, and back. So your core is the abdominal, the obliques, and the lower back. So just we're working our core right now, stability on an exercise ball. Okay, so now we're going to bring our feet together. When you bring our feet together, we have a little bit more balance, right? All right, and let's just start with breathing. Let's inhale, exhale. Place your hand on your heart. Now, if you want to take some time to actually do this with me, do it with me just for a moment, even if you're at your desk. Place your hand on your heart and see if you can feel your breath. Wow. That's how powerful you are. I want you to feel the power of your breath. Your breath is keeping you alive. It's keeping your heart beating, your lungs pumping, your spleen, your kidney, your organs, your bones, your muscles. Thank you to the breath. That's why it's so important to take some time to tap in with your breath. So we're going to do that again. We're going to take 5 Okay, I want you to take that smile and put it in your heart and just be grateful to be alive in this moment. Put your hands on top of your knees with your palms up. Let's focus on gratitude. So I want you to think about 5 things that you're truly grateful for. And if you can't think of anything, maybe you're going through a rough period in your life, then you be grateful for things that you know that you have that are priceless, like the gift of sight, the gift of hearing. So if you're watching me right now, you can see me, you can hear me. The gift of being able to embrace others, like a hug. The gift of smell, the gift of taste. All these things that you get to be grateful for that you may not think about when you think about your life. But let me tell you something. Take one of those things away, you'll be like, oh my God, I want to be over here. Okay, so let's just focus on 5 things that you're going to be grateful for and match it with your breath. Let's go. Wow, you just get carried away, right? Isn't that a beautiful space? That's meditation, you guys. A lot of times people think that you gotta be in a quiet space and you gotta hum. No, meditation is breathing and gratitude. That's it. You did it. You meditated. Breathe and be grateful. So that way you match your emotions to a higher vibration. Gratitude is one of the highest vibrations that you can have in life, right? And that vibration of gratitude, that vibration of your breath is so powerful. Now we're going to do something that we did in the TRFC, which is like, I want you guys to think about, and this is called guided visualization. I want you to think about a goal that you have that you haven't quite accomplished yet. Okay, a goal that you haven't quite accomplished yet. But you're going to think about it as if you have. Like, you just freaking did it. Like, you did it, and you think about how you did it, and how amazing you feel after you did it, who's around you when you did it, what shifted in your life when you did it. Like, you're going to think about that. Now, when we're going to do that, we're going to get in an open-hearted position. So, this is the position of receiving. So, that's why I really like this ball. If you don't have a ball, just lie on your back. Put your butt on the lower end of the ball. And then I'm going to stretch my legs out and reach out like this. Like, yay! Lay in the back. And then I'm going to think about, oh, this feels so good first. Now I'm going to think about, I just reached my goal. Ah! Bring your butt down, head up, walk your feet back. Place your hands on the ball. Walk back, back, back. Drop your head down, and your legs are open, and relax the back of your neck. And I just want you to be thankful for everything that you just created in your mind, because your mind doesn't know the difference. Like, you created it, you experienced it, you had the emotions of it, the excitement of it. It happened. It happened. So let's just let it, allow it to keep happening. So let's bow your head in gratitude. Oh my goodness, you guys. I hope you guys really just went there with me. You don't have to lie on your back to do it. You don't have to bend forward to do it. You just get to believe that you can create the life you want. So I'm going to lean forward. This is a great stretch. I'm going to stand up and bend the knees. Fold your arms over. Let them hang. Relax the back of your neck and swing side to side. Make sure you're breathing. Hold it there. Release your head, the back of your neck. Inhale and exhale. Inhale. Exhale. One more. Inhale. Exhale. Hands down. Bend the knees. Roll up. Wow. How do you feel? I feel amazing. I hope you guys feel amazing right along with me. Oh my God, like the things like exercise and meditation, they give you that feeling of like release, of just, so if you didn't do this, okay, and you watched it, thank you for watching, but save it for later. Save it for later when you just need a kind word, where you need something to uplift you in the moment. Save it, okay? Now, they don't save these very long, so I am going to put it on YouTube. And if you go on over to YouTube, do me a favor, So you see that little button over there? That is a play button for 100,000 subscribers. I'm so grateful for that. And I got that a long time ago, and I didn't really realize how powerful it was. That means 100,000 of us united to care about our health, to be fit, fierce, and fabulous. And now we're at 926,000 subscribers. And we need 75,000 more to get the next press play button. That is 1 million people strong around the world. 1 million people. And the great thing is, I didn't do it, you did it. So if you can do me a favor, if you are on this video right now, go to my YouTube channel, Tiffany Rothe Workouts, and click subscribe, okay? And because that's gonna make you part of 1 million strong. And that's like energy. Remember I told you about the vibration of energy? When you vibrate on that level of creating 1 million, because I cannot do it without you guys. It's you, it's us, it's we are better together. When we hit that 1 million, we did it together. Oh, it's so badass. It's like we did it together, you guys. 1 million strong all over the world. The power of it humbles me. It humbles me. And I want to get there. I want to get there so that we we can celebrate, okay? So if you are watching, go to my YouTube channel. We've done that on Facebook. We are 1 million strong on Facebook. And I love you, Facebook. I love you, family, because we did it first here. So thank you, Facebook. We did it here first, 1 million strong. And now we get to do it on YouTube. And you know how we did it? We did it through humor. When I started posting like the funny videos, you guys really loved it, and that's how we grew, right? But YouTube is dedicated to health and fitness and uplifting, and Facebook, we got some humor in there. So thank you guys for watching those funny videos and being 1 million strong first. But please, I need you. You need me. We need we. We are better together. So if you enjoyed this, please join my YouTube family by pressing subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything. It doesn't tax you in any kind of way, but it's just a symbol of being a part of a 1 million person movement. Wow. You get to be a part of a 1 million person movement. You, me, we are better together. I love you guys. Remember, breathe and believe.